How to create a business card on Canva fast and easy in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a business card fast with Canva. All what you have to do is go to Canva like this, and then go here down below, click on this plus icon, and then go in the search bar and search for business. As you can see, search for business and it will give you the business card option. Click on it like this, wait a few seconds until it take you to this page. Right here you will find the business card templates. You can choose any of these and edit it as you want. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one and click on it like this, and here you go. Now you can edit it as you want. It's free and you can download it easy from here. Let's try to edit it. For example, how to media, my other channel, or financial wall like this, and then click save. As I said, don't forget to like and subscribe.